Hello everyone, my name is Cesar Augusto Rodriguez. I belong to UNAD University. And today we are going to pronounce the consonant and vowel sounds of International Phonetic Alphabet. So let's start. At first, with consonants. Pa, like a pot, hoppen, and cup. Like a duck, labor, cup. Mmm, like a mop, hammer, some. In tango, but, walked. In goat, fender, married. Mm, in not and softened. Er, in pretty, carrier, cataract. In Q, echo, slap. In gold, X, back. In fan, lift, puff. V. In very, clever, hive. In throat, ether, wrath. Second, this, rather, soothe. Now we have in chip, capture, touch. Now we've got like a dip, adjust, touch. Sound ng, like a anchor or sing. Sound like a hiccup, who. Sound z, like a zamba, twister, collapse. Z, z, Xerox, Paisley, dogs. Sound sh, sh, like a measure or gauge. Now we've got the sound woo, woo, in walked, went. Sound er, er, rodent, uranium, car. Sound E in yes, cube. Sound, okay, we made this, walked and went. Lateral, an approximate modular lateral. In limb, sound limb, flute, bowl. And in the case of vowels, we've got sound E, E, eager, very, paisley. Sound E, it, lift. Sound A, eight, labor, hay. Sound E, edge and fender. Sound apple, up. Sound adjust, moderate. Sound upper, top. Sound in ox, father, pond. Sound ooh, smoother, doom, rune, ooh. Sound, this is a difficult sound, I think. Hooked, holly, rook. Sound O, stone, bold, folder. And finally, sound O, in pout, pound, abroad. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this can be useful for me and for you. And I look forward to hearing your comments and considerations. Thank you very much.